Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are going to do a cup of noodles recipe. How fun is this? So let's start off with the cup of noodles. You know, they have different flavors: shrimp, beef, chicken, and so I'm using chicken flavor. It's just the one I like the best. And then all you gotta do is just open it. It's really easy to mess around with a cup of noodles, and it's great because you don't have to have a bowl to eat it out of. So you just open up the package, and I don't know about you guys, but ramen noodles have changed a little bit. I remember a long time ago they actually used to have chunks of meat in them. Not anymore, and they used to have peas in them, but this one doesn't have any peas. So as you can see, it's just carrots and corn. But you want to make sure that you don't microwave that. But we have some cabbage here, some red peppers, some onions, some beef that I had left over. It's just like roast, and some mushrooms. So I had to boil some water because, as I said, you cannot put these in the microwave. Sometimes the styrofoam will blow up your microwave. So you gotta be careful about that. So there's a line inside. All you do is fill your water up to the line, and then you cover it and let it sit for 3 minutes. And I just like to put something on top of it, like this plate. It's heavy, so it'll keep the steam and everything inside. After a few minutes, it should be good to go. I actually like to pour some of my water out. So if you pour some of the water out, of course, or the liquid, you can get more in there. I also added some American cheese because cheese is good on ramen. You can also saute the vegetables, but I wanted the steam to cook them because I wanted them kind of crunchy. But after I got everything in there, it heated up really nice. You could throw some sauce on top, maybe a little sriracha. It was delish, guys. Would be a fun recipe too. You can customize this, have a little cup of noodles party, you know. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you leave me some comments down below. Give me any ideas of anything else you would like to see me make on this channel. Don't forget to check the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.